Memories of Thailand. Oh, this is a nice store. What is this? Oh, Burger King. That's Burger King. Eh? So we're making a right turn. I feel cold. I don't know why.
Yeah, because it's
Colder.
like night, you know.
Ah. Oh, another Burger King. So guys, after spending some time at the Miracle Lounge, we are heading to the gate G1, taking our flight to Manila, and we are kind of 5 minutes away. So this is a Cebu Pacific flight from Bangkok to Manila, and I will show inside the flight, but that's going to be a separate video. And we are looking for G1, which should be somewhere close. I found G, but where is G1? Oh, okay, I think a little bit farther. I can see G3. So I think,
G5 there.
yeah, I think I have to go like a little bit far. But we
Oh,
are.
this is also Miracle Lounge. This is much
Oh,
closer.
we missed that.
Yeah.
We missed
We
it.
went to farther.
Farther one. Or this is the same one? No?
No, no, no.
No, right?
Not the same one.
But I think the one we went looks like. We'll check. How is it? Are you sure? I think it's the same one.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's the opposite way.
Okay. How does it look?
Oh, hold on.
Oh. So we went to another Miracle Lounge. No, I think this looks a little bit smaller than ours.
Looks like up and go down.
Oh, right,
Yeah, see that?
right. It has several floors.
Yeah.
So this is could be even bigger. Okay, so we are at G2. So, oh wait, I think we missed it. Hold on, don't go. Here.
Oh, that's the G1.
Yeah. So guys, this is the G1 here, and I saw it. So this is our flight to Manila, where we're going to be boarding or going through the gate. So
How are you, sir?
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Fly to more fun. Cebu Pacific is certified under the IATA Operational Safety Audit, or IOSA, the highest standards for safety in the global airline industry. May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage room above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger safety card located by your seat.
Hello.
If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you. Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card.
Whoa, so these are 29 EMD. Alright, so guys, just got these two seats. Looks like there's no one sitting beside us, which I kind of like. And this is actually not as bad as I was thinking it would be. So this is Cebu Pacific, and you can see that this is Airbus A321neo going from Bangkok to Manila. Pre-ordered meal. So this is chicken beef adobo